What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Toyota Channel, and I've been turning wrenches and helping people keep their cars running honestly for about 15 plus years. Today, I want to talk to you about something that doesn't get enough attention. Why being an honest mechanic isn't just good business, it's the right thing to do. So if you're a fellow tech, shop owner, or even just someone who's tired of shady garages, stick around. This one's for you. Let's be real, mechanics don't always have the best reputation, and I get it. We've all heard the horror stories. They told me I needed a new transmission when it was just a sensor. I paid $2,000 and the issue came back a week later. Or the classic, they charged me for parts I later found out were never replaced. That kind of behavior ruins trust, not just in that shop, but in all of us. But here's the thing, those bad apples, they make our jobs harder. They make customers suspicious, and they're killing their own long term business. So, what does honesty actually look like in this business? Well, it means quoting fair prices, even if it means less profit today, showing the customer the worn parts, telling them what needs fixing now and what can wait, owning up when you make a mistake, because we all do sometimes. People remember that kind of integrity. They come back, they tell their friends, and suddenly you're not chasing customers, they're finding you. In 2025, people are more informed than ever. They Google repairs, they watch YouTube videos like this one, they check reviews before stepping into a shop. So when they walk in, they've already got one question in their head: can I trust this person? Being honest isn't just morally right, it's competitive advantage. In an industry where trust is rare, being trustworthy makes you stand out. Shop built on honesty don't just survive, they thrive. So here's an example. Someone came in thinking they needed a $1,000 fix, but it was just a $50 sensor. You told them the truth. They were shocked, grateful, and now they bring every car they own to you. That moment, that's why I do what I do. That's the power of being honest. And don't think customers don't notice. They do. They remember how you made them feel. Here's the bottom line. You might be able to make a quick buck by upselling or lying, but you can build a career by doing the right thing every single time. Honest mechanics don't worry about filling the schedule. They build relationships that last decades. And if you're a young tech just starting out, trust me, people skills and integrity are just as important as turning wrenches. So whether you're behind the counter or under the hood, remember, being an honest mechanic isn't just a nice idea, it's how we change the industry for the better. If you got value from this video, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, drop a comment of the experiences you had. Hope you guys found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.